Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about inversion. This is part 2, video number 2, and as you know, this is advanced grammar course, advanced English grammar course. And in this course, I have covered more than 27 common and important topics. And we are at this one, inversion. Open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. Please look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. Links to my Facebook groups, like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. Subscribe and press bell icon to get more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. As I have told you in the last video that this sentence was simple and we have joined these two sentences to make a complex sentence. You learn the grammar effectively, you can pass the exam with excellence. You can pass the exam with excellence when you learn the grammar effectively. Now this is the best sentence with inversion. Not only when you learn the grammar effectively, only when you learn the grammar effectively can you pass the exam with excellence. So instead of only when, we can use also not until. Not until you learn the grammar effectively can you pass the exam with excellence. So where is the inversion? Can you see in the sentence where is the inversion? After only when? No, only when you learn the grammar, this is normal. And where the inversion? This one, can you pass? Yes, you are right. This is the inversion in the second part. When we use only when, we use inversion in the second part of the sentence. Can you tell me where the inversion is? Here it is not with the first part, but it is with the second clause of the sentence. Please don't forget this rule. Not only and but also, these are the inversion would be different. These are advanced sentences, sentence structures, and of course will boost your grammar score. Use only in your writing, because if you if you will use a bit, if you use them in your speaking, you will look like a bit unnatural if you use in your speaking. So use only in your writing, in formal writing. I'm not saying you can't use in your speaking, you can use, but these are more effective in your formal writings. Only when the patient has fully recovered will I feel calm. Only when. We can also say not until the patient has fully recovered will I feel calm, will I feel comfortable, something like that. So inversion is in the second part, and the first part can be with only when and not until also. Only when, we can use only when, only after, only as, only once, not until, not before. All of these expressions, when are used in a similar sentence like the above ones, we need to use inversion with all of them. Only when, only after, only as, only once, not until, not before. With all of these, when are used, we need to use inversion in the similar sentence structures. Remember, to make inversions, we follow same rules as to make questions. Look at the original sentence. Dr. Che works at a hospital. To make it inversion, we followed simple rule of making questions from present tense. Not only does Dr. Che work at a hospital. First I remove the not only, then this one part is or now a question. Does Dr. Che work at a hospital? Then question mark. And if we are using not only, we say not only does Dr. Che work at a hospital. With not only, only when, uh, we don't use question mark. Dr. Che worked at a hospital. This is past simple. The first one was past present simple. Now it is past simple. Now we, as we make the question similar way, in the similar way we will make the inversion. Not only did Dr. Che work at a hospital, but he also something, but he also, yes, rarely, hardly, no sooner, never, little. These words, when these are used at the start of a sentence, we use inversion. When these are used at the start of a sentence, we will use inversion. Never had I met such a good teacher. This is not a question. We will not put question mark here. This is just an inversion. Never had I met such a good teacher, good doctor, good teacher. So when you are especially in your speaking, you can use any of these sentence. No sooner, when this one, not the other ones. No sooner had I uploaded my new video, they all they all start to watch it. They all started to watch it, I think. No sooner, so the main thing I to explain here is the inversion here. No sooner had I uploaded. No sooner had I uploaded. These are not common in your formal writing. These ones hardly, so, no sooner, never, these are not common in your formal writings. So at the end, the same thing as always, I tell you that subscribe to my channel, look at description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me for more videos, share with other students to help them, and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for more courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.